Okay, it looks like we're back. Let me see. Looks like we're back. I can't tell. All right, so I just learned a valuable lesson. The next time I stream something, but this was all a test just to see. I want to do more of these, but let me see. All right, so I'm gonna just keep going through it. I should have. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna start recording now. I'm gonna start recording, so at least I'll get this part of it. Yeah, so I think we're back on. Somebody give me a message to let me know we back. I'm back. So, all right, so I'll keep going through it because I recorded this, and so where I am now is we're at chat. So the city of the turntable scientists is where we are, and so that's dope. That's dope. It's really giving love to you see with gambling with producers Kenny Gamble, Leon Huff created the lush, soulful Philly sound. Da 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 da. Hip hop turntable arrived. Da da da. Rise of DJ Cash Money and Jazzy Jeff. There you go. Cash Money, Jerome Hewitt, Jazzy Jeff, Jeff Towns, still doing their thing to this day. Still doing it to this day. That is definitely amazing. Still viable, still in the market, still making the world dance. You know what I mean? That is that is definitely a story in itself. Let me get my mug out the way. Yeah, so we got he's the rapper, the DJ, the Will Smith stuff, the Philly battle culture. Philly's influence didn't stop with the stars. It was a training ground for the best basement battles, radio mix shows, community events, created environment of relentless competition, local, which still goes on to this day. And what's so cool is that the community of hip hop artists is just so dope. Like people, they still work together. They still come out. They still represent. I think that's amazing. Because in actuality, to me, the DJ is the only element of hip hop that still represents the people. When they come to a party, it's to make the people in the party dance. MCs used to be that. And then MCs made it all about themselves. Didn't care whether the party partied or not. They didn't care about their community, which then turned into the worst people in our neighborhoods turning into rappers. Like who was the worst person in the neighborhood? And that was your drug dealers. And then when drug dealers started rapping, it was over because they didn't care about the community when they were selling drugs, and they sure didn't care about the community when they started making rap records, and it just turned to shit. But the DJs, they still come to a party for a specific reason, and that specific reason is to make people dance, to make people have a good time. And that's why I love the DJ culture so much, because it's still about the people, and it's deep rooted in originally what it was made for, and that was to make people feel good. So anyway, legacy of precision. I'm sorry. Philadelphia gave DJ community its technical language, the vocabulary of cuts, scratches, and transitions that define turntablism today. What Kool Herc invented and Grandmaster Flash refined, Philly perfected. The city proved that DJing isn't just about moving a crowd, it's about mastering an art form. Philly DJs showed that perfection could be soulful. So I'm going to actually put this book out because it don't make no sense to do all this, get all this work done and not use it. So here we go. Here we go. It's asking me again, would you like to continue with chapter 6, the golden era of turntablism? So covering the 80s and 90s explosion of global DJ competitions, DMCs, ITFs, the emergency of Qbert and Mixmaster Mike, and how turntablism become recognized as a true performance discipline. So I'll hit yes. Go ahead and write chapter 6. And what I would do is I would go and get some images. Let me see. Here's chapter 6. Wait a minute. Let me let it do its thing. My mouse sucks. Okay, so it's writing it. Why is it selected? All right. I need a better mouse. I'm gonna change my mouse so I can scroll properly. But you see, it's right. It's writing it, making it happen. Oh, I don't know what the hell I did with my mouse. Anyway, so there we go. So chapter 6 seems to be written. Prematurely pulled out my mouse. I still needed it. So here we go. Masters of the Decks. 80 closed the American DJs dominating the film. DJ Cheese, Aladdin, Cash Money set the early standard, combining technical precision with showmanship. Cash Money 1988 victory with his razor sharp control and body tricks refine what a championship could be. By the 1990s, a new generation took things even further. So this is dope. This is dope. I mean, it could be actually put in a documentary form. Just grabbing some video images and make it, and actually make like a movie out of it. Let me see. Overview. All right, so chapter 6 looks like it's done. Let me make sure. Birth of turntablism. Where we go? We're going backwards. All right, so now once chapter 7. Would you like me to continue with chapter 7? Technology takes the booth, which explores how digital tools, CDJ, Serato, Tractor, laptop mixing transformed the culture in the 2000s and reignited debates over authentically versus innovation. Let me see if I can add. Oh wow. Okay. That's what's up. Chrissy sent me some stars. Thank you. All right, so let's do chapter 7. I hit yes. It's chapter 7, DJ Turntables, Evolution of Disc Jockey. Technology takes the booth. And another thing too, if you let me see, the rise of the laptop DJ. Let me see. Around the same time, software companies began to merge music with computing programs like Final Scratch, Tractor, and Serato Scratch Live allowed DJs to control digital music files on their laptops using time-coded vinyl. That meant DJs could still use their turntables, but instead of real records, they were manipulating digital audio. The concept was revolutionary. Wow. So then we got the great debate, real versus digital. Oh, wow. It gets into everything, man. And again, it canvases the entire internet, and it's looking at articles and pulling stuff together. Let me see. Purists wore the weight of vinyl and filled a platter. So you got people still running around with vinyl, and then that turned into 45 records. Let me see if they deal with that. Let me see. Let me see. Touch. DJs broadcast their sets to the world. DJ booth longer than clubs. Legacy of information. Chapter 8. I guess hip hop from hip hop to EDM. Let's go. Yes. That's definitely an interesting subject, especially for my foreign people. The club takes the crown. And what I'm going to do is, I didn't see anything about 45 records in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prompt ChatGPT to actually write a paragraph about 45 records. DJ wants that. Shared DNA, the beat that binds at the core of both hip-hop and EDM lies the same foundation, the breakbeat. The rhythm that Kool Herc extended at the Bronx block parties became the same rhythmic obsession that fueled house, techno, and drum bass producers across the world. The philosophy was identical. Take existing music, isolate the part that makes people move. Let me see. 80s house pioneers in Chicago like Frankie Knuckles and Ron Hardy. Yo, this is dope. This is dope. It's already given me a great idea for the cover. For the cover of the book. And that would be a lot of these pioneers that are mentioned. And let me see. David Guetta, Armin, okay. Daft Punk. Festival DJs, blurred line between the DJ and the producer. Global Sound Unity, Legacies to the Beat. Would you like me to continue with chapter 9? Let's do it. Yes. Yes. And add a chapter about DJs using 45 records. Vinyl records. 45 records. They call 45s, but they're really using 45 records. So it's going to go out and look for this stuff. Yes, add chapter 9. You know what? I'm going to do this after it does all the chapters. So I'm going to just put yes, add chapter 9. I'm going to come back to that just so it doesn't break up the continuity of what's going on with this. So here we go. The Turntable Legacy, Dexter Serato, Return of the Groove in the 2000s, 2010s. Vinyl has staged a full comeback. Major labels reopened pressing plants. Indie shops flourished again. 2023, vinyl sales outpaced CDs for the first time in 30 years. Proof that people didn't miss the sound, they missed the ritual. A good digger knows. Digging, wow. Let me see. I want to see. I'm kind of just sliding through it because I want to see if they touch on 45s at all. And that's the beauty of this stuff. Like, if you know something about a subject, you can add to the subject so that you make sure certain things will be covered. Let me see. Kid Jeff Pearly presenting young DJs, teenagers, da-da-da. And it's like, look, the beautiful thing about this is right now we're in a political situation where people are actually trying to erase history, black history. So these books are going to be needed. These, stuff about, what we did, who we are. That stuff is needed. More black folks, we need to start documenting our own history, and make sure there's a digital footprint that people know. Yeah, so people will know that that this stuff exists, and and not let it die. So then there's a timeless loop. DJ Culture from Radio Hip Hop, Scratch and EDM. Look like it's time to wrap it up. Today's DJ stand on Soldiers of Giants, Martin Block, Kool Herc, Grandmaster Flash, Jazzy Jeff, Cash Money, Qbert, countless others. And I mean, then like if you get into the Philly part, Jazzy Jeff and Cash Money stand on the shoulders of other DJs. Let me see, like that are gonna be like tripping if they see this book and they're not in it, like but them not going mainstream, there's definitely a problem. So what I would probably do in addition to the actual book, okay, so let me see. This is the end, the future spin. So they wrapped the book up. That's 9 chapters. This is the last one. And so I'm going to put yes, and add, now I'm going to put, and add something about scratching with 45 records. The collection concludes a journey showing the DJ art form entered the modern era, still living. The call of scratching with 45, the smallest but fierce. I like that. That is well worded. It's like, so it adds a special section to the cult, scratching with 45, the smallest but fiercest symbol of vinyl mastery. That, dog, is better than me. And it's like, if I hired an editor to edit my book, but that editor would have to be knowledgeable about the subject, because it's long gone are the days when you have to depend on somebody to write something black or to write something in a particular genre and they know nothing about it. It's like in Hollywood. I seen this interview where Lee Daniels was sitting around with other writers of TV shows, and he asked all the writers did they have any black writers on their staff. And he said no, but they all said no. And it was crazy because they tried to jump on him, but he was just like, look, y'all shouldn't be writing stuff with black people in it if you don't have black writers writing about the black experience. And so it's the same thing here, where if I had to get me an editor, a writer, somebody to edit and help fix stuff, they would have to then go back and study this stuff so that they could be accurate in what they're doing. And so it might take me months to get that book done, where like this book is done and I can start getting images and release this as an ebook like this week, so let me see. Final words. DJ isn't just about machines, genre, or fame. It's about what happens when human hands meet and refuse to let go. Would you like to compile all 9 chapters? Now, I'm going to say yes, but in my experience with ChatGPT, there's always some type of problem when you try to get it all surmised. So what I do is I go and I just copy and paste every chapter and put it into Word or something like that. So to make sure that I actually have it. But there's something else I want to add. Let me see. Let me let's see. Would you like to compile? What I'm gonna do is there are wait. What did they want to do? Okay, there are many Philly DJs. Can you search and give me a list of notable DJs in Philly that may not have been spotlighted. Spotlighted, but have mentioned throughout the webverse. I just want to see what the webverse. Since it's over, let's see. So what I'll do is, If it can't do it, then I'm gonna just use my knowledge of the DJs. DJ Spinbad, he's touring with that with Janet Jackson. I'm gonna mention that, like DJ Spinbad, he tours with Janet Jackson. Let's go. The late DJ Kid Swift. Performed with Philly MC Breeze, as well as DJ Ghetto. Is my book. So the thing is, I want to make sure that I mention the people that were significant in what I had done. Also, DJ Handmaster Flash, who recorded on Philly's MC Breeze first record. I mean, that's the beauty of books, man. You can you put in there what you need in there, so you can't complain about what doesn't exist or what's not around if you don't discombobulate boobulator. First record, this discombobulator boobulator. Record banned from radio, and I'll refine this later. So let me see what it does. Let me see if it looks up anybody beyond the people that I. Okay, it's thinking, and that's the thing. Like, this information isn't available because people aren't writing about these folks. Grand Wizard Rasheem, I need to find under the radar DJs, but I realized that one's from New York, not Philly. DJ Kid Swift, DJ Ghetto, verifying everything. Oh, it's verifying the information. So I put together Handmaster Flash, credit on Discombobulator, Boobulator. There we go. DJ Ghetto, Ken DeLuche. Yo, there we go. Under DJ Ghetto, DJ Kid Swift, Super Swift, Anderson, respect the Philly Battle Turntablist, Grandmaster Nell. Go ahead, DJ Rand, Lady B, DJ Active. Wow. See, that's, it wouldn't have gave me none of that if I didn't prompt it to go in there and give me, you know what I mean, and make sure my people was covered. And that's the thing, you know, when they talk about people use the term gatekeepers, you know, like here I am, I'm in a position to get this book done, get it written. I mean, getting it put out, and I get the opportunity to put in people that I know that are unsung heroes. Let me see, add Grand Wizard Rasheem. So it'll write all that over and they'll look for information on them. Grand Wizard, because he taught a lot of people. Inspired a lot of people, taught people. Grand Wizard Rasheem, and he's always doing stuff. I think it's Rasheem. Let me make sure. I don't know. I don't have enough facts for him. But it's dope. It's like great. He based in Philadelphia. Know the DJ legend, pioneer in the local scene. That's from Instagram, Apple Podcasts. Interview. He's credited to inventing the battle style DJ setup. Wow. Okay. In a podcast interview, he credited inventing the. So his social presence and missions indicate he has deep roots in the city, culture, collecting tapes and everything. I'll update the expanded appendix with his bio too, if you like. I can pull 5 to 10 under recognized DJs with supporting references so that you have a strong hidden gems in your section of your book. Yes, by all means. See, this is when I get goofy and I start talking to ChatGPT like it's a person. And then exclamation point. Let's do this. So there's others. Let me see. DJ Fit 76ers, DJ Ghost, Tap Money, Sheen, Miz, Too Tough, Lady B, Kid Swift, Ghetto, Active, Cosmic Kev. Let me see. Mixer. If you like, I'll expand each into a full paragraph, 200 to 300 words. Yes, let's do that. Yes. And look, I'm like, let me go back. Let me get this off. So I thought the screen was screen back. I thought the screen was up. So yeah, it's like it got DJ Too Tough like I might change the order based on the dates they were discovered. But it's dope. It's dope. Let me see. Black continue the remaining 5. Yes. So I'll put them in order of probably the years that they came out. But this is dope. And that's how you write a book in ChatGPT. And when it's done, I'm going to say I got Handmaster Flash, the wrong person. Handmaster Flash name is John Ware. Let me see. DJ Handmaster Flash name is John Ware. From the group. See, you gotta refine this stuff. What I might do is eliminate all these bios anyway, because if we can get that vinyl wrong from the Philadelphia group. If we can get that wrong, it's probably a lot of other stuff wrong in other people's bios. References verified background written accuracy inclusion the DJ turntable appendix. Real name collaborator MC Breeze. 4 digital samples, computer edits and flash flat. Rely on instinct, timing, working live turntable with local circles to celebrate. So it's basically doing bios on them, which is cool. Now, recompile all the bios and shorten them, because then that'll leave me space to do. Now you know what? I'll shorten them later. Recompile all the bios, because I'd rather have more than less. And then if I want them shortened, then I can shorten them later. Use Unsung Architects of Philly. Here we go. Tough, Swift. What did they do to Danger Zone? Too Tough, Furious Scratches, My Part of Town. Okay, they got him right. Let me see. Kid Swift, Anderson, DJ Sesame, Black Parties represent. Okay, got him. Rasheen, Miz, part of Miz. I got his record in here. Battles Global Competitions. So I'll add that stuff later, like the actual Lady B. Let me see. What the hell is this? I'm getting.
Hang on. Let me listen.
Turn this off. Alright. B-Force. Handmaster Flash. Closing note, Philadelphia legend living continuum for the pioneers who wired block party speakers 1970s to today's digital innovators. These 10 names represent only a fraction of the story, yet together they illustrate what makes Philly unique: precision, pride, and purpose. And so, I'm gonna say yes to the PDF to see what it does. Let me see. Say yes to the PDF. Yes. So Rob, I see you just joining me, man. I'm basically using ChatGPT to write a book about DJs and the whole DJ turntablism stuff. So it's pretty dope. Trying to teach people how to make books using ChatGPT. A lot of people don't know how powerful this software is. So I'm actually going to release this book. See what happens. So format PDF. I'm gonna put do I want a PDF and a Word document? So PDF and a Word document. In my experience with ChatGPT 3, 4, and 5, it never finishes the PDF. Into like when you download it, it's only going to be like 3. It's only going to be like 3 or 4 pages. It never it seems to just never finish. Okay, so here's the documents. I'm going to download the PDF document and see if it does work. Here we go. Make a new folder in here. DJ book. Turntable book, actually. I hit create. So I've been on here. I mean, this is 2 sessions. I don't know how long this one was, but I mean, in less than about an hour, I've written an entire book about DJs. Let me see if this allows me to open this up. Yep, same thing. I got 1, 2. I know it's more pages than this. I only got 2 pages. So that's one thing that's bad about ChatGPT. But the cool thing is, it only did the appendix. I'm gonna go back and say, can you 40 format, search the DJ tables. So it looks like both versions of compiled appendix. Are you ready to download? Let me see. Create a PDF of the entire book. See what it does. Ideas, the 9 chapters. Unsung Architects. This is my chapters. Birth of Disc Jockey, Radio Streets, Birth of Hip Hop, Art of Scratch, Philadelphia Influence, Go There, Okay, author credit, Joseph Ellis, aka MC Breeze, on the title page. Format reference. Would you like a modern layout, documentary, typography, minimal graphics, large readable headings, retro hip hop aesthetic, bold fonts? So I'm gonna do formatting. Would you like? Once you confirm those 2, yes to both. Yes to both. So first it's going to redo the entire John. Let's see. While it's doing that, I'm gonna turn my music up. Yeah. Yes. So what I'm going to do is what I usually do in ChatGPT is I just copy and paste all the chapters and then I put them into a document and make it. Let me see. Please confirm one last detail. Would you like me to include your Still Breeze Entertainment logo, production credit line at the bottom of the page? A Still Breeze Entertainment production? No. I could do that on my own. Well, you know what? I want to see what it does. I'm gonna put yes. Alright, now what are we doing now? Style, clean, layout, turntable, evolution of the disc jockey by Joseph Ellis, MC Breeze. And when I'm done this, I'll do the evolution of the MC. But yeah, I just wanted to show people the power of ChatGPT and how, like, if you ever wanted to write a book, no matter what the subject is, you could use this tool to get your book done. I would suggest that you fact check what it writes so that you don't have an issue about the details in the book. I mean, but that's let me see. This process involves combining all 9 chapters, epilogue, I'll take a moment. Would you like me to include the page numbers and table of contents inside the PDF as well? I'm gonna just put yes, but I still know it's not gonna. I don't think it's going to do it right. So I just go in, copy and paste chapter after chapter after chapter, and then just copy and paste it into the book, put it all together, and because sometimes it says I'll generate a full PDF, publication ready PDF. So it usually tells you. Let me turn this down. It usually tells you, like, okay, it's going to take a while, come back to it, and it never does it. So I don't even wait for it anymore. I just go in, grab the stuff I need from it, and then I can just copy and paste it to something else. But all the meat and potatoes of the book is done. Now I'm gonna create a cover for the book. Now, that's another thing ChatGPT does, is it does images. So I'm gonna create a cover for the book. And if it's not good enough in here, then I'll use another app and create a let me see. I want a hip hop style. Now, you know what? I'm gonna let it make its cover, and then I'm gonna suggest what kind of cover I want. Cause I love seeing what it comes up with on its own. It may be good enough. You know what I mean? So that's another thing. Like, people don't know, ChatGPT does is it creates images. So you go into it, and like even the free version, you can go in and say, make me, put Mickey Mouse on a horse, and it'll make it. I mean, so I'll see what it comes up with, and if I don't like it, I'll try other platforms to get the book cover made, and then I'll probably get some like graffiti style looking characters to represent the DJs that I'm giving the dedications to that come from Philly. It shows hip hop on its own. I'm watching it develop. DJ Turn. And all this music that's playing in the background was done on Suno.com. I went in and prompted to make some beats. So this is not bad. This is not bad. Like I don't. Let me make this smaller. I don't hate this. Like, I don't hate this. But so what I'm gonna do is ask it to give me a prompt for the cover for Midjourney. So what it'll do is, I like the quality of what Midjourney does, but this ain't bad, man. This really ain't bad. It appealed to young people. I think it's a good choice. I really do think it's a good choice. Cause it looks like something that a young person would read that wants to learn the history of turntablism. And that's the whole thing about writing books like this anyway, is you wanna preserve the history, man, because there's like a lot of stuff people don't know about hip hop. And people think they know, but they don't know. But yeah, the cover came out dope. But I'm gonna go to my Midjourney, and I'm going to get me a cover done in Midjourney. So I didn't get my prompt yet. Go back. Here we go. So it's gonna give me what I need to post in Midjourney to give me a different book. So I'm gonna come here. Well, let me try to use it all and see what happens. So I'm gonna copy this prompt, go to Midjourney, to that create page, and I'm gonna paste the prompt. And failed to submit, unknown flag. Okay, so I gotta take some of this out. Let me see if I can delete this. Yeah. AR, ratio. I don't even want that. It knows it's a book. And it doesn't have my logo. Well, let me see what it does. It might make its own logo. So it's cooking. Now, I don't know why my first live cut off. Oh, wow. See, it's already better. It's just the aspect ratio is wrong. So I'll come up here and change it to a portrait style. So it's more like a book. The 2 to 3 ratio is what they had in the other thing. So I'm gonna use a 2 to 3 ratio. And I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna paste this back in it. That cover is dope. I ain't even gonna hold them on that. But that's why I use Midjourney, because Midjourney is so much more stylish when it comes to graphics. One day I'll do a tutorial on Midjourney as well. Yeah, these covers are coming out dope. They're coming out dope. Yeah. Yep. They're coming out real nice. So they still rendering. Let me see. Oh no, it's done. Is it? I click on it. DJ turntables. Only problem is the words are behind the character, so you can't see. Like it will make mistakes like that. Like it'll spell names wrong and all that kind of stuff. But the overall feel for it is dope. So what I'll do, I'll use another software to get rid of the words because of the way it's not giving me the correct spelling on anything. It's not giving me the correct spelling. So I'm gonna go and click it again and start to make more. So what I'll do is I'll pick the best cover, and then I'll just redo the wording so that it says what it's supposed to say. See, it's spelling it wrong and all that kind of shit. So let me see if I can get rid of the typography, bold, hip hop, DJ techniques, turntables. So I'll do just the art and no logo. Center, title, art, and text, sharp detail. So text, Stillbreeze Entertainment. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of this whole situation here. So I don't want no logo. Oh wait, I gotta put the text up. I want to get rid of all this stuff. I want to get rid of any wording. The evolution of the disc jockey. Nope, I don't want any of that. Any MC Breeze. I don't want any lettering. Graffiti style. I'm gonna take out all the wording. DJ hip hop book cover designed for DJ turntables. Graffiti style hip hop energy. DJ in a hoodie spinning on techniques. Glowing vinyl records, dynamic lighting, street textures, neon orange, background with speakers, wall spotlight, glow cinematic composition, artist realism, high contrast and sharp detail. So I'm gonna click that, and hopefully it'll just give me the artwork, and I can put the wording on later using Photoshop or whatever. But I think that's the game. Okay, there you go. See, that's the game with using AI, some of these AI platforms, especially the ones you pay for, because what happens is, since you pay for it, I think that it messes up on purpose. But these are dope. These are dope. Without the words, absolutely dope. Let me see. Let me make them a little bigger so they fit better on screen. What? Yeah, these are definitely better. And here's the cool thing, right? So, one thing I love about Midjourney is I can choose animate. So I can click on the images, go to create, and I can choose animate. I pick the one I want. I like them all, so I'm gonna animate them all. So if I wanted to do like an advertisement for the book, once I chose the cover, I could do an animated piece of content that will allow me to be able to put like on Instagram, buy this book. It's available now in ebooks and bookstores or whatever. But it's definitely dope. So in less than an hour, I wrote a complete book, and I got the covers, and I got some animations for the actual. Let me show you what they came up with. Let's see what they came up with. Where we at? Is this them? Oh, they're not done. It's 59 cents complete. I'm rushing. All right, let's see what we got. What y'all got? Let me see. Oh, they're not moving. Hold up. Looks like it's done. Okay. Maybe I don't know how to move them. Oh, there we go. Look at this, y'all. Oh, that is dope. That is so fucking dope. And the cool thing, it makes 4 of them. That's one. Oh, I'm gonna use this. For something else I'm doing. Wow. So this is content in itself. So I'm gonna make this into content and say, you know, put something on there about Philadelphia DJs. So it was 4 of them. So I'm gonna go back and animate the other ones. They take a while to pull off. Let me see, but so I did this one. I'm gonna do this one now. Go back. Animate. So I'm gonna let it cook. And so it's gonna do. See over here it says 3. So it's working on 1. It's got 3 more to go. But this is so dope because like I got all these beats and stuff, man, and little video stuff that I be making. I can see using these little animations and with some of these beats I got going. So yeah, man, I'm gonna shut it down. That was it. I'm gonna upload this stuff onto my subscription page. I know because Facebook only holds live videos for 30 days. So I'll put this tutorial on my subscription page, and plus it's on my YouTube channel. It should be on my YouTube channel. Let me make sure. Because I'm using something called Restream, which allows you to stream to multiple platforms. Let me see if I see it. Come on, man, where is it? I don't know, maybe it failed. I don't see it. Well, I got these versions. Let me see. Home. Oh, here we go. Here it is. Yeah, so it is on my YouTube channel. It's on my YouTube channel. The second part. So I have to upload the other part to it. The first part that failed. When I first started this stream, it failed in the middle. So let me look at these other animations. All right, I'm gonna wait for them all to be done. But this one, this is the second. It's on the third one now. It's got 2 more to go. I mean, I could look at it now. Hold up. Where is it? All right, so is that one finished? That was the first one. This is the second one. Click on it. Wow. So this is the second image, and every time you hit animate, it gives you 4 versions of the animation. So this is the second one. It's slightly different. His hands are in the wrong place. There's another one. Hands in the wrong place. Oh, he's touching the record a little bit anyway. It's rolling. There we go again. He playing beats on the table. Turntable. Alright, so there's 2 more to go. You can probably see it cooking. Let me see where it's at. Yeah, this one's still cooking. 43. Yeah, it's gonna be a dope ebook. And then the other cool thing is that you can use another app. You can use another app to do an ebook. An audiobook. All right, here we go. We got 4 more animations. Let's see what we got. All right, bro. See the next. Oh, come on, go back. Got this one. This one. Yo, AI is amazing. So many people, they like, hey, AI. Man, look. I use AI because people are slow. You try to get people to do stuff for you, they take too long, they slow. When you're trying to move, it's like if I could write this book, I write this book just today. Oh, this beat dope as shit. So I wrote the book in a day, album cover in a day. Now it's really just, let my wife piece it together as a book, put it on Amazon and sell it. Put it on my website, sell it as an ebook. Do it as an audiobook, sell it as a digital download. And keep it moving on to the next project. There was always something to do and always some way to do it. And that's what I love about AI, because it takes all the gatekeepers and gets them out of the way. And allows you to be able to create product, to create things, to finish things in record time. And if you blow up and you get a lot of money, then you can hire some people. But when you starting out and you trying to make it happen, you don't have time for excuses, man. You don't have time for somebody saying, look, I'll get around to it. I had somebody to create my website, and they never even got back to me. Haven't talked to them since. Yo, I got you. Nothing. Go on the AI platform and get the website done. So that's the beauty of using AI products and the whole 9 yards and stuff, is that you can get stuff done. I'm 61. I'm too old to be waiting on somebody to finish, waiting somebody to get around to me, to make me feel important. I've given money to people and they didn't complete stuff. So this stuff makes me happy. That's what's up with that. Look like he playing the record that I got banging right now. So I'm gonna go to the last one is done. This one here. This look like a chick. Oh no, it's the way the headphones are. They look like hair. Let me see. So click on it, see what they do. Oh, yo, that look dope. That looks absolutely dope. And remember, these graphic images are from a description from ChatGPT that I got from ChatGPT. So the prompt I got from ChatGPT, I said, write me a description that I could use in Midjourney. Now, Midjourney costs me $10 a month. And, but the quality of what it puts out is so much more superior than what ChatGPT gives me. So I said, that's just the first one. This the second one. This the third one. This the fourth one. And what I'll do with these is I'll use them to advertise the book, And I think I'm gonna name the book "Move the Crowd," which is a movie title of a movie that I wrote that we may end up doing. I'm gonna do that in Philly. Got it. You can't do it nowhere else. But yeah. So that's it, man. I'm gonna get off this thing. My neck hurt. My back hurt. I'm about to shut it down, and I'm getting better and better, trying to get better and better at coming online and sharing stuff. Hopefully somebody might be inspired to do their thing. You know what I mean? So that's that's what's up. So love, peace, hair grease.